Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my devlog series where I'll be building a roleplay server from scratch. Now as you can see by the title, the first thing I'm going to show you is a trucking system. Now what I've done is I've utilised Blueberry truck depot as the main depot. So there's pretty much one main depot where you'll be able to clock on and off. You'll come into this little office slash warehouse thing like this. But anyway, you'll jump in, and obviously you need a truck license to be able to be a truck driver. So like once you get the truck license, you'll be able to see this dialogue. And what I'll do is I'll clock on. And with truck drivers, just like miners and truck drivers, they have worker skins. So you'll have to get a worker skin. So what is I? Oh, something happened there. Oh, something really happened there. I've got to fix that anyway. So that was just a little bug, a small little bug. But anyway, it reckons I've got a worker skin anyway. But that's just a little bug. So I'll continue with this. But anyway, basically, as I said, I've utilised Blueberry depot as the main depot. So this is where all the trucks are going to be, and then there's other depots throughout each city. So what I've done, I'm going to add more depots in the future, but I've added 4 main depots. So this is a depot sort of thing as well, but the office is here as well. So this is a depot. So what I'll do is I'll jump in a truck and I'll show you how it goes. So basically, I'll turn the engine on, and there's actually, with each truck, it's optional. You don't have to grab one of these trailers, but you can. And what I'll do is I'll grab this one. But anyway, what you do is you just go to each depot. As you can see on the mini-map, the depots are the race flag icons, just like the pilot locations where for each location. So what you do is you come in here and you type haul. So what I'll do is I'll haul, and it's giving me like a destination, which is at Ocean Docks truck depot. So what I'll do is I'll quickly drive over there and I'll show you how it goes. Alright guys, so I'm arriving to the truck depot at Ocean Docks, and as you can see, I've completed the haul and moved 125 tons for 67,000. Now that's probably a bit much. Let me know if that's a good price. What I'm going to do is before I release it, I'm going to put it on a server and test it, extensively. So I'm going to change all the prices, fine tune everything over time, so by the time you get it, it will be something that has been running on a server for weeks or months, and he's pretty much bug free to the point. I hope when I release it there isn't any bugs that I sort of can't fix. But anyway, that's the truck system. So basically, just like the pilot system, you can be a trucker. But anyway, what I'll do is I'll show you the next thing I wanted to show you, which is an ATM system. So what I'll do is I'll quickly jump over to ATM 1. And ATMs are practically like what I've done is I've created banks in the cities, and the banks are around the police department. So it makes it sort of hard to rob the banks, because the banks the bank robberies is a bit more than the store robberies, and the casino robberies are a bit more than the bank robberies sort of thing. So just so instead of adding banks throughout the countryside towns where there probably won't be a police officer nearby and anyone could just rob the bank, what I've done is I've created 6 locations. I'll show you now on screen where all the ATM locations are. They're pretty much just throughout the countryside. So there's 6 of them. I added there's 2 in LS, 1 in SF, and 3 in LV. So practically the ATM system is pretty much it connects to your bank system, but the only thing you can't do is transfer money, get loans, or pay back debt. It's pretty much just the standard stuff you can do. You can see your balance, withdraw, deposit, and see your statement sort of thing. So that's pretty much the ATM system. The other thing I wanted to show you was a bar system. So what I've done is I've created 24/7 stores, but now there's actually a bar system. Like I've created the first bar here at LS. So as you can see on the map icon, that's the icon I use, which is the bar icon. So pretty much there's a clerky which you can rob, obviously, but with the bar, this is actually where you're going to be able to buy alcohol. So there was no location before to buy alcohol, but you can buy drinks, but you can also buy alcohol. And pretty much with alcohol, what I'll do is I'll drop it so you can see. So with alcohol, the item looks like this. So yeah, that's the item, and pretty much what I'll do is I'll pick it back up and I'll use it. So when you use the alcohol, you actually get a drunk level. So this is what it looks like when you're drunk, sort of thing. So you'll be like this, and vehicles will be very hard to drive, sort of thing, while you're drunk. And I'm pretty sure, let me try it, you can actually get more and more drunk. So let's see what happens when I have a couple more bottles. Yeah, that's a bit more drunk. And let's see if I can go even further. Yeah, it's even further drunk. So it will sort of wear out, sort of thing, being drunk. You know, or unless you die. But what I'll do is I'll quickly kill myself just to get rid of that shake on the screen, because it's sort of making me dizzy. But anyway, guys, that's the latest update. The reason why I haven't really released in the last week or so is I've been busy in real life and doing other things. But I'm going to jump straight back into the Devlog series. The next edition I'm going to work on, which is going to take me a bit of time, is going to be the master account system. So as I said in the previous video, the master account system is pretty much going to be, you'll be able to connect with any sort of name you want, and like when you connect, you'll have to create a character, and that's where you'll create your roleplay name, and you'll be able to create up to 3 characters. So every time you join, you'll have to select the character and either spawn that character, and you'll be able to delete characters and all that sort of stuff. So you'll be able to have 3 different lives if you want to, up to 3 different lives. I might make it so you can only have 2 normally, and 3 or 4 or 5 even if you're a VIP, just in case, you know, for some reason maybe you want to have a specific life, you know, as a police officer, and another life as a criminal, sort of thing. You can do that. So pretty much, yeah, that's it's going to be I'm going to have to revamp the whole account system to be able to do that. So it's going to take some time. I'm estimating up to about 4 days. It might take longer, 7 days. You know, the moduling took over a week. You know, it took me a week to work it out how to do it properly, and then a week to be able to do it all. But anyway, there's been some major updates like that. You know, with the script, if you haven't noticed yet, I've actually turned it into modules. I've converted it. It was an 18,000 line script, but now I've converted it all into modules, and I've also converted over to you know, YSI. I'm using Y hooks for each, Y timers, Y commands, and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, guys, that's where we're at with the devlog series. I'm thinking by the next 2, 3, maybe 4 devlogs, there will be a server up where you'll be able to pretty much, you know, play the server, because there's going to be a server, and I'm also going to release it. So, and I'm not going to shut down the server after I release it. I'm going to continue the server, sort of thing, and it's going to contain all the new updates, you know, before I release it, sort of thing. But anyway, guys, that's it for this devlog video. If you like these videos, hit the like button and consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.